Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I hope you all are happy and healthy. So, my dear students, today we will learn a new topic, adjectives. So, what are adjectives? See, an adjective tell us something more about a noun. So, we say it describes or qualifies a noun. It tell us something about a noun. See, Arib is a little boy. So, Arib is a little boy. In this, the word little describes a person, means boy. Okay? Arib is a little boy. In this, the word little describes a boy, a person, boy. Okay? See, an adjective comes before a noun that it describes or qualifies. Okay? See, cold water. Cold water means, yes, cold water. Here, cold describes the noun water. Fresh vegetables. Here, fresh describes the noun vegetables. Hot soup. In this, hot describes the noun soup. So, an adjective that describes a noun. An adjective comes before a noun that describes or qualifies. Now, see, lake is very deep. Lake is very deep. In this, the adjective deep. The word deep is the adjective that qualifies the noun lake. Okay? The adjective deep comes at the end of the sentence and it is not placed immediately before the noun. It qualifies lake. Okay? Sometimes we can place nouns somewhere else in the sentence. Okay? See, all the trees are full of green leaves. In this sentence, the adjective green qualifies the noun leaves. Okay? The adjective green qualifies the noun leaves. Okay? Now see, a pronoun can be used instead of a noun. An adjective may tell us something more about a pronoun. Okay? For example, he has worked hard and is very tired. So, in this sentence, the adjective tired qualifies the pronoun he. Okay? He has worked hard and is very tired. So, the adjective tired qualifies the pronoun he. Okay? Now, see, the mountain is in Nepal. It is very high. So, high, the adjective high qualifies the pronoun it. It we use in place of a mountain. Okay? So, the adjective high qualifies the pronoun it. Okay? Now see, the names of colors can be used as adjectives. The names of colors can be used as adjectives. We can use the name of the colors as in adjectives. For example, Musa is wearing a red shirt. So in this, the adjective red qualifies the noun shirt. Okay? The adjective red qualifies the noun shirt. See the second sentence, sky is blue. The adjective blue qualifies the noun sky. Okay? The sky means sky is blue. So, the adjective blue qualifies the noun sky. Okay? You get it? Now see, numbers can be used as adjectives. We can use numbers as an adjectives. See, how many butterflies are there? 5. 5 butterflies. So here an adjective 5. Okay? We use number as an adjective. Okay? 5 butterflies. An adjective describes the noun butterfly. 11 flowers. Here 11 flowers. The number 11 describes the noun flowers. Now see, adjectives also help us to say how many or how much of a particular thing we are talking about. Okay? Adjective also help us to say how many or how much of a particular thing we are talking about. Let's see the example. Few people came to my sister's wedding. So what is the adjective in this? Few. Okay. So here in this sentence, few describe how much or how many of a things. Here, few people came to my sister's wedding. And in the next sentence, many people were waiting to buy tickets. So, in this sentence, adjective are telling us how many or how much people were waiting to buy tickets. Okay? Now see comparative adjectives. Comparative adjectives. What do you understand by the word comparative? Comparison? Yes. When we do comparison, okay, we use the comparative adjective. Now see, in this picture, you can see the three forms: fast, faster, and fastest. Okay? Now see, we have seen the three adjectives: fast, faster, and fastest. These adjectives is to qualify the noun, okay, boy. So we want to compare three things, okay? See, we see that an adjective may have three different forms, means fast, faster, and fastest. So, when we usually do comparison, we use comparative adjectives. Okay? When we compare two things. Now see, we use comparative adjectives for the purpose of comparison or to comparative forms. Okay? See, there are three things: fast, faster, and fastest. See the first one, and even we can compare different nouns. See the first one, fast. The usual form of an adjective is used when we simply describe one thing or one person. Then you can see the second one, faster. A second form is used when we compare two things or persons. And see the third one, fastest. A third form is used when we compare more than two things or two persons. Here we are comparing, in the last one, fastest, here we are comparing more than one thing, fast and faster. So we are comparing these two things with the fastest. Okay? So here we use fastest. Some adjectives we simply add er or est to them to get the comparative forms. In many cases, we usually add er or est to them to get the comparative forms. For example, cold, colder, and coldest. The second one, big, bigger, and biggest. Like this, we will add er or est. If the adjective ends in y, the y is changed to ier or iest. For example, lazy, lazier, or laziest. Now see the second form. If the adjective ends in e, then we need to just add r or st. Sure, surer, and surest. Okay? For example, brave, braver, and bravest. Okay? See, sometimes when we adding er or est, we or you have to double the last letter of the adjectives. Hot, hotter, and hottest. Fast, faster, and fastest. Like this. Now see the last case. If we have to use completely different words as the comparative forms like good, better, and best, bad, worse, and worst, many, more, and most. Okay, like this. So, my dear students, this is all about adjectives. So, keep practicing, keep learning. Jazakallah khair. Allah Hafiz.